Welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. In this series, we are learning what is the contribution from each state for the wind power installed capacity in India. This session is dedicated to Madhya Pradesh and what is the total installed capacity of that state, what is the ranking as of now in the wind energy installed capacity contribution for that particular state, what is the year on year contribution from that state, and the historical data. This is what we are going to learn in this session. Apart from that, you are going to get the learning gift end of this video. Let us start. Hi, welcome to Wind Energy Career Gags. I am R Mahindran. In this session, as I said, we are going to learn about Madhya Pradesh and their ranking, what is the installed capacity there, and what is their contribution year on year, and many more things. As of now, based on the total installed capacity, the state is with the latest information. The state is like now in the seventh position in terms of total installed capacity. Like we will see what is the total installed capacity. After that, we can move to the all other year on year contribution also. That will help you to understand how the trend is going in this state, what will be the future. Now you have to correlate yourself, what is the total potential available now, how it is like installed capacity. These two comparison will help us to plan our future also in terms of energy sector. We are not yet touched about offshore anyway. We will come up with more data in soon. Now about the offshore also. Now if you have not seen our previous video about each state how it is doing, you can also check. Number 7, Madhya Pradesh total installed capacity. You can see here they contributed to 2844.29 megawatt total installed capacity. That give them in the 7th position of the total installed capacity. Okay, next 3 states only available. I will be sharing it's a consolidated video in the next video. But now we will see what is the year on year contribution from the Madhya Pradesh state. Let us move to the Madhya Pradesh. So this is what it is like Madhya Pradesh contribution on year on year. The first data it's showing that what is the total installed capacity up to 31st March 2002. Okay, that is the consolidated information. After that, year on year data. Okay, so here you can see I would like to thank Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, also NIVI for Ministry of Power for keeping this information accessible to people like us. Okay, 23.2 megawatt installed in terms of 31st March 2002. After that, year on year, you can see not much contribution, but 2007-8 you can see here 130.4 megawatt installed. After that, again the trend is continuing, 25 megawatt, 16 megawatt, 46 megawatt, and suddenly they come up with 2011-12 they reached 100 megawatt, and after that again continuing 9 megawatt, 37.4 megawatt, then 2014-15 it's a good number, 456 megawatt. Again the golden period, again peak, it is 2015-16. Like you can see they are very much 1291.9 megawatt. It's a huge number, really good for that very peak period for their total. Historically you see 1 gigawatt in a year, more than 1 gigawatt, 1.29 gigawatt. It's a really good number. Please check our previous video also, see how the each states are contributing. This is the 7th state we are seeing. Like 2016-17 you can see 356.7 megawatt available. Then after that continuing 22.1 megawatt, then we can't see any contribution. Now you can guess now two things we got to see. What is the potential available in this state, means estimated potential available 100 meter, 120 meter, which already we said as a dedicated separate thing. Now you can compare that. Now the total already installed capacity available. With this comparison, you can understand where this state will move in the future. That also very important role, understanding for us. If you are in wind energy sector, people who are not in the wind energy sector want to enter into the wind energy sector, who are in different energy sector, who also looking for the opportunity in wind energy sector, they can also learn all these things. Okay, it's really going to help. Apart from that, students, research people, everybody, it will helpful. like uh, This is one important information also helping you to see whether India will reach their goal, like in terms of renewable energy and net zero goal. In like you can guess where we are going, whether we can achieve it or not. Like that will also help you, and that will also motivate you to start something new, which is help India also to reach our net zero goals. Okay, like now come to another important thing, our gift. The gift always we believe that strongly the great thing or one important thing any human being can transfer to next generation is the knowledge. So like we are creating the opportunity for you to learn continuously and grow yourself, also contribute to the sustainable development of your career and sustainable development of your family, and to the sustainable development of your society and to the country and to the world. That's the ultimate aim. That's why continuously I am sharing the knowledge in different formats. You can find our training related things in different YouTube channel RDRC. Here we are like learning dedicated to wind energy sector. So which I where I worked for many years. That's the reason I'm started this one. So you can visit sustainablelifestylehub.com, where you can find there is a dedicated section RE quiz. You can go there. You have two sections here to learn. One is like quiz format. Another one is you can ask question to us. So quiz format, there are different way you can different kind of quizzes available here. Technology related, case studies, or many like wind energy basic related. More going to be added, and now you can go and check there. Apart from that, you have the priority questions available here. You can click, and you will be taken to the new dedicated form for your priority questions. So those questions you can ask here at a time. You can ask 5 questions, and if you want to ask more question, you can also like add more questions one more time to fill this form. Okay, you can ask any of these 20 almost 25 like domain within the wind energy sector, which I know. Like if you ask anything beyond this, I can also connect with the people who are expert in this field, and I can share the knowledge in video format or interview format or multiple formats. So this way it will help you to develop your knowledge. I hope this session really helped you to understand how the Madhya Pradesh is contributing to the wind energy sector and the other formats of learning you for you. One more thing you might be thought like when I'm sharing the like map, I was switching from one state to another state content just by clicking this. How I done this and how to create this already I shared in a separate dedicated video. You can also check that. Also, I will create one more separate video for this. You can also check it out so that you can also learn how to create such interactive chart and all. Excel now come up with a lot of solution. It is going to help you. Okay. See you in the next session, which we are going to cover remaining 3 state, like more states. Okay. So that will also cover almost this series of video. Then we can start something new, which is going to be excited for you. Also, you are going to learn a lot more. Okay. So see you in the next video. If you found this useful, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, you can share with the people who you think that will help them. Share with them. See you in the next video. Thank you very much for time being.